How to check how many times you opened TikTok 2025. Ever wondered how many times you've opened TikTok in a day, a week, or even in total? Whether you're trying to track your screen time or just curious, here's how you can find out. Option 1. Using digital well-being for Android users. First, go to your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. Here, you'll see a chart of how much time you've spent on each app, including TikTok. Now, tap on TikTok. It will show you the daily usage, including how many times you opened the app today or in the past few days. This is super useful if you want to track your habits or take control of your screen time. Option 2. Using screen time for iPhone users. If you're on an iPhone, open Settings, then go to Screen Time. Tap See All Activity, then scroll to find TikTok. You'll see how much time you've spent and how many times you've opened the app. Hasher bonus tip: set app timers or limits. Want to cut back a little? Both iPhone and Android let you set app usage limits. On Android, it's under Digital Wellbeing Dashboard. On iPhone, go to App Limits under Screen Time. And that's it. That's how you can check how many times you open TikTok. You might be surprised by the number. Found this helpful? Give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart app tips and digital life hacks. Let me know if you'd like the same script in Hindi, Urdu, or YouTube Shorts format.